Hello everyone, we are now on to practical 4, which is titled B plus 3 operations. This is a tree structure. We have the B3 structure and B plus 3 structure that show how our data are being stored in the tree structure, giving down the nodes as the values. So we see how we can now visualize the tree, how it is being modified by inserting keys 15, 32, 7, 18, and then see exactly how these key values are going to be arranged in the B plus 3 structure. And next we do is to take the screenshot after each operation, after each entry. This is what we are expected to do in the practical. And activity 2 is to execute a kind of query that is searching for keys 10 to 20, for example, and we see the result. Then we also experience a kind of deletion operation. We now delete a key value, a certain value from these elements being entered, from these data items being entered. And then we see how the tree is being restructured or redistributing its own value. And then, so the expected result, we are supposed to have a 10 annotated tree structure. There's the screenshot of the tree, and then 2, the range query result. As we query some values, for example, we query 15, we query 18, and then post-election screenshot showing match nodes after deletion. Now we move ahead to the www.cas.usfca.edu. We get a tree, a B3 plus simulator, and then use the values and get the result. So we can now go ahead. Let me launch the portal. So I have the portal being open now, the B plus tree. I'm using the same URL I've given you in the practical manual. Is what I inserted here, and then the portal got open. Now we now start inserting the keys 15, 32. So we give 15. So 15 first, you say insert, then 32, you go and insert, you type 18, you say insert, then 25, I just seeing how the structures are changing. Then next is 30, say insert, then 17, then 38, then 20, so this is what we are expected to do at each stage. You get the screenshot of each of the operations. Now let's search for 10. Where is 10 located? So we say 10, say find. You see how it is following each of the three structures until 10 is finally found. Then we search for 20. We search for 20. So where is 20 located? So it has already pointed out this 20. So this is what is expected of you to do, and then screen capture each of the operations. So finally, we try deletion operation. So we want to delete key 18. We want to delete key 18. So we enter 18 here. You say delete. Remember, you look at where 18 is located. 18 is here. So look at exactly what is going to happen. So the moment we delete 18, what is going to happen? So we delete 18. So it's going to search for that 18, and 18 is deleted. So this is the resultant trace structure, the B plus trace structure. This is what is you are expected to do. So getting the structures, all of them being screenshot, and then finally you print and attach. So let's move to the next practical.